Super, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today is November 23, 2024. Let's just jump on in. Thank you for all your past support. We have a news chopper here, the CBS News Chopper Los Angeles, hovering over Marina del Rey. The news choppers don't come in that often, but when they do and they hover, kind of easy video. So what's going on this channel is there are these very fast, small, tiny, fast movers, UAP in our skies, and there's a lot of them in Marina del Rey, but they really are all over the world. Here we go, same chopper. Here's this one going obviously south to north, vertical, coming right off the wetlands. Right below the chopper is the wetlands. There it is, real time. Marina del Rey. You look on a Google map, 600 acres of wetlands, amazing. So very predictable, very typical. I have some other vertical launches from the same location. I more or less, there's like 3 locations where they launch from. Very easy. It's common knowledge if you're doing the research, if you're one of the pilots chasing these things, it's common knowledge where they sit. In this case, I guess the news chopper was covering a news story. But nevertheless, if you come in and you fly over, especially if you hover, you're going to get easy. You're going to get these, and I call these fast mover dragons because 7 years ago I was 100% positive they were dragonflies. At least that's what they had to be. Did you see that in real time? How fast that was? Unbelievable, these things. Super amazing, super darn amazing. So that was 7 years ago. Since then I have like 5,000 of these videos, like 14,000 hours of research. I have a pretty good feeling. They are, for the most, they're very predictable and baitable. You can bait them. How do you bait them? Just fly something in the sky, helicopter, airplane, a drone, an earth drone, record it, they'll fly up to it. I have all those videos. If you have any video, if you want to see any of those videos, reach out. If you're a researcher, reach out. Look at this, perfectly vertical, just right off the ground. I have a lot of those. Identical videos. Super. Okay, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, or comment. Let's go to the next. Super. Check this out from Frank, one of the viewers. Thank you, Frank. You have a great eye. Guy jumps out of an airplane 25,000 feet, no parachute, just jumps into the net. Look what this dragon does. Unbelievable. Super slow motion. I think that's like at 2%. There's the interpolation just to make it a lot easier. You can clearly see it went out of its way to tag the skydiver. Clearly, to the exact point, as a matter of fact. What was the speed at that point? What is that? I think basically he was traveling at terminal velocity, which would be like 120 miles an hour. If you miss that net, that's it. You don't get a second chance. Nevertheless, a second later, well, it's right there. Literally to the second. He hit that net and the dragon just pulled up on him. That's what they do. That's how you find these things. Look on YouTube, anything historic, air shows, Blue Angels, Thunderbirds, something where you think dragons would SpaceX launch. Very, very predictable. They're baitable. There you go. If you want to jump out of an airplane, you've seen, and I've posted other skydivers too, getting tagged, but this is an exceptionally good one. Frank, thank you very much. I really appreciate the work that you went in. I would not have found this. I just would not have found this. It's fantastic. Okay, please let's go to the next. Okay, November 17. What do we have here? We have the fire department and the police, LAPD, working together, doing their best here. If I had to guess, the LAPD, and by the way, they did that twice that day. Used two different fire department helicopters. Nevertheless, they came in, they got tagged. That's just how this plays out. Obviously, they're working together. I would assume you've seen this before. The fire department banking over the same spot. They always get tagged over the same airspace from the same angle too, 45 degrees from the right. They get launched. So you can see they're doing everything they can. The government's doing everything they can. Only thing they're not doing is telling us. They're not volunteering any information. So what do you think that's about? Is all this top secret? Very puzzling, very puzzling. The pilots have already confessed that these dragons are annoying. The police, the fire, and the sheriff pilots, they've privately confessed that they are annoying, and it is on YouTube. If you want, just ask, I'll show you where it is. But this is what's going on. If you're a pilot out there, pilots know one another. It's a small world. Even if you're a pilot on the East Coast, you know pilots on the West Coast. It's a small world. Reach out. Just say, hey, what are you guys doing in Marina Del Rey? What are you chasing? They'll tell you. At this point, they're not going to lie to you. They're just going to tell you what's going on. So this stuff's not top secret. All right, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. I do want to get some feedback from you. You could record this yourself. Take out your phone, landscape, zoom in 20%. Record for 30 seconds. Look for a tiny dot. That will be the UAP fast mover. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh my God. I don't know where to point the camera here. Okay. Come on, Dragon. These guys are going to meet. Let's try to keep the picture clear. Here we go. Come on. Oh my gosh. Right here. Hold the autofocus. Autofocus is slipping a little. There it is, right there. There it is. Told you. Friggin' Dragon messes with the autofocus. Here's some more of that video. I just want to revisit it again real quick, because this is good video. We had clear days. It's not every day that the police and the fire department team up. Again, same location. You've seen this over and over. The fire department comes in and they get tagged over the same airspace. Here we go. Yeah, and I see they're coming at each other, the police and the fire department, and I'm like, okay, we should get a dragon. I mean, statistically speaking, we should get a dragon. I think it already passed by. I forget the timeline, and they're so darn quick. But what it is, I think only one. I think only the fire department had his GPS radio transponder turned on. So the LAPD was just a cherry on the cake, and like I said, they came back. It happened twice that day. There it is. There's that UAP. Approximate speed 2,000 miles an hour, no sonic boom. They do trigger the X and K band spectrum, and they do leave an audio click on your smartphone, which I'm beginning to believe that audio click is actually the RF of the X and K band. So if you don't have a radar detector and you just have your smartphone, the smartphone will substitute as a radar detector and will be recorded as a click sound. And I just posted the clicking sounds. Pretty amazing stuff. I know some of you think these got to be birds and bugs. I totally get that. The first year, I was very sure these were birds or bugs, except bugs cannot effectuate an X and K band trigger, and they cannot leave clicking sounds on your phone. It is what it is, and they're all over the world. And again, they're very predictable. You can bait them, record them, or just record helicopters, airplanes. Just what I'm doing here. Really simple arithmetic. Nothing, no astrophysics involved. Nothing. Those days are behind us. The iPhone, it's doing all the hard work. That's why this is so easy. It took 120 years for the iPhone to get here. But now that it's here, it's doing the hard work. We don't have to do the hard work. All we have to do is turn it on and record like this, and you'll get a fast-moving UAP flyby. It really is, and it's all over the world. Take the challenge. Take the Dragon challenge. Don't quit on your first try. And when you do record, please reach out. Let us know. Share it. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, November 18. Look, I got lucky here. Looking at the plane finder, planefinder.net, I see incoming. Look at this dragon right there on top. I see incoming Navy. There's only one chopper on the radar, so I go out and I record it. I end up recording 3. One's like green and white, and the other one is all green, and the other one's like, I think it's got the pink on it. I think it's that pink Black Hawk from a couple months ago. But nevertheless, they came in looking around. This is the bottom line. They got tagged right there. There's the interpolation. Had to really follow them for a little while. They didn't get tagged over the jetty rocks. At least that's not what I didn't see that. I saw that here. So that's right over the Marina Del Rey. And there it is, over and over and over. Extremely predictable. I don't know really what they were doing. Obviously looking for something. Flew up from San Diego and circled the city. But there's the video. Always good stuff. There you go. Okay, I think that will do it for this custodian file. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment, leave questions, good or bad. I don't mind criticism. That's fine. I'm okay with that. I do want to hear from you. If you have your own video, please send to custodianfile@gmail. Okay, until the next post, take care and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.